How to replace windshield wipers. Honda Odyssey 2016 easy method. Most people get this wrong, but replacing windshield wipers on a 2016 Honda Odyssey is simple and takes just minutes. You won't believe how much better visibility becomes with fresh blades. First, lift the wiper arms away from the windshield until they stay in a raised position. Locate the release tab on the wiper blade connector. Press the tab and slide the old blade downward to remove it from the arm. Dispose of the old blade properly. Take the new wiper blade and align it with the connector. Slide it into place until you hear a click, indicating it's secured. Double check that it's locked in properly. Lower the wiper arm gently back onto the windshield. Repeat the same steps for the other blade. Once both are installed, test the wipers by running them with washer fluid to ensure smooth operation. In conclusion, replacing windshield wipers on a 2016 Honda Odyssey involves lifting the arms, removing old blades, installing new ones and testing. Follow these steps, and your windshield will stay clear in all weather conditions.